Hello, today we will guide you through how to edit writing with Claude AI. In this short walkthrough, you'll learn a simple way to use Claude to improve a paragraph of writing. The process is very straightforward, and it's especially helpful if you want clearer wording, better flow, or a more polished final result without spending a lot of time editing everything manually. To begin, open Claude and start a new chat. This gives you a clean space to work in, which is useful when you want the AI to focus only on the writing sample you're about to provide. Starting fresh also helps keep the conversation organized, especially if you plan to revise more than one paragraph later. Once the new chat is open, enter a sample prompt about your paragraph. At this stage, you're essentially giving Claude the writing you want help with, along with a simple instruction. For example, you might paste in a paragraph and ask Claude to review it for clarity, grammar, tone, or structure. The more clearly you present the paragraph, the easier it will be for the AI to understand what needs improvement. If your writing has a specific goal, such as sounding more professional or more concise, it's helpful to mention that in the prompt. After you submit the prompt, give Claude a moment to load and generate its response. This step is important because the tool needs time to process the paragraph and return useful feedback or revisions. Depending on your connection or the length of the text, this may take a few seconds. Once it is loaded, enter another sample prompt to edit the paragraph. This is where you refine the result further. You can ask Claude to rewrite the paragraph, make it smoother, correct grammar, or adjust the tone to fit your audience. If the first result is close, but not perfect, this follow-up prompt helps guide the AI toward the exact style or level of polish you want. Think of it as a second pass that turns a basic correction into a more intentional edit. As you work, it's a good idea to read the revised paragraph carefully and compare it with your original version. That way you can make sure the meaning stays the same while the writing becomes stronger and easier to read. That's all it takes to edit writing with Claude AI. With a new chat, a clear paragraph prompt, and a follow-up editing request, you can quickly turn rough writing into something much more polished.